My life with Kinako in Saitama today. Driving from Tokyo, finally arrived in Koshigaya in Saitama to eat Hitsumabushi or finely chopped eel over rice. We are going to this eel restaurant, Unagi Hitsumabushi. They provide domestic eel dishes broiled carefully over a traditional charcoal flame. Wow, the Hitsumabushi lunch set looks great and reasonable. Look at the price. My other target is Wadabi Mochi, which is the traditional Japanese dessert made from broken starch with soybean powder. As you know by now, Kinako. Look at this cool Japanese interior. These are made out of wood. While waiting for my food to be served, I can feel how the time moves so slow and it makes me so relaxed. Oh yeah, I have something to give my friend. A souvenir from Niigata and 3 different types of Kinako for her to compare the taste. The difference is obvious, I thought, so I chose this selection. Kinako made from aomame, the large green soybean, kuromame, the black soybean, and normal soybean that I got when I visited Kinako factory the other day. It was freshly made. See, the color is totally different from each other. Looking forward to her feedback on the taste of these. Unagi Hitsumabushi, here it comes. Doesn't it look yummy with glossy eel sauce? Beautiful. First of all, you eat it as it is, so you don't add anything. Actually, it's my first time to eat this. It's a famous dish, and especially in Nagoya Prefecture, you put some rice and eel in another bowl to eat it. Pretty nice. I like that sweet taste. Next, you pour dashi soup in the bowl and eat it like Japanese ochazuke, boiled rice soaked with green tea or dashi. Dashi meets unagi. Together, they create umami taste. It's a popular Japanese comfort food, I would say. It tastes delicious in a both way. Wonderful. And finally, the main event for me, Wadabi Mochi. With some Japanese decoration, it looks super pretty. This kind of attention to detail is very Japanese. I wanted to show how soft and stretchy it is. Look at this. It's very stretchy, which makes it hard to cut. How should I eat it? Should I eat it in one go? So soft and chewy. I love it. You know what? As always, thanks to the power of Kinako powder, I can't speak, so I simply give up on speaking when having Kinako in my mouth. This Kinako has a very fine texture. It goes very well with the Wadabi Mochi. Well, I can't stop talking when it comes to Kinako. I apologize. I am having a black bean tea as well. You can eat the beans that are inside. It lifts me up. All this Wadabi Mochi is homemade in this restaurant. They are kind enough to let us film them, cutting a big portion of Wadabi Mochi and dipping it in Kinako powder. They slice it and dip in Kinako powder one by one so that each mochi is coated evenly. Such a special moment. I can't be happier. Right now, Wadabi Mochi is trending in Japan. I hope Kinako culture keeps going on and on. Why not try some Wadabi Mochi when you visit Japan? That day will definitely come. See you then!